Hello everyone, I'm Kanchan Singh, a special educator, trainer, digital marketing leader, and on a way to be an image consultant. They say that sometimes your path crosses a certain person that changes your outlook. It happened with me the day we had a special session of luxury and image consultant Renu Mehra with the specially abled children who were going to be attending a class, a special beautiful class by her. And I saw that by the end of the class, the kids were so motivated and so was I. It is then that I decided that I need to learn this from her too. And the journey has been beautiful and I'm still looking forward to learning so much from her. Thank you so much, Renu, and I look forward to be working with you. Thank you.